So I'm going to show you something. This is a 2003 Dodge Dakota. Even you can have this issue in a newer vehicle that's motorized in a computer, like 2022 or 2011 or whatever. A lot of people, when a wire is ripped, like this one, to the positive, they'll add it to the fuse box, to the battery terminal. And then they'll basically get a piece like this, not a full spare, and put it to alternator, and you won't be able to hold it, and it won't hold the charge. Because what that's going to do is just drain your battery and throw off a lot of codes in the engine compartment, not engine compartment, the dash compartment. So what you're going to have to do, go to the junkyard. Once you got rid of the old one, the wiring harness to the starter, to the fuse box. That's how that is not how it's supposed to be looking when you have a slit. It's supposed to look like this. Double together. Get yourself a replacement one. And this goes to the starter, as you can see, the proper way. You have both connectors to hold, and this goes to your fuse box to hold a full, that way you have a full charge. You got any more questions on the vehicles, comment down below. If your battery's draining, I'll be more than welcome to help you.